If you want to make your document look cleaner, more professional, and easier to read, learning how to insert a separator line between columns in LibreOffice Writer is a really useful skill. In this tutorial, I'll show you the quick step-by-step method to add columns and place a visible line between them so your text has a clear divider. This works great for newsletters, flyers, reports, and any document where you want a polished layout. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. When the Start Center appears, you can either click Write a document under the Create section on the left side, or you can open an existing document if you already have one started. If you're beginning from scratch, opening a new Writer file is the easiest way to follow along. Once your document is open, look at the top menu bar. You'll see options like File, Edit, View, Insert, and Format. To set up columns, click Format. This is where LibreOffice keeps many of the page and layout tools, including the column settings. After clicking Format, select Columns from the menu. A columns settings window will open, and this is where you can control how your text will be divided. Here, you can choose the number of columns you want for your document. For example, you might select 2 columns for a simple newsletter layout, or more columns if your design needs them. Now, look for the separator line area in the columns window. This is the key part of the tutorial. To add a visible line between the columns, enable the option for a line separator. In most cases, this will be a checkbox or a line setting that lets you turn the divider on. Once it's enabled, LibreOffice will place a vertical line between each column, making the layout easier to scan and much more visually organized. Before you finish, take a moment to review the rest of the settings in the columns window. Make sure the number of columns is correct and confirm that the separator line option is turned on exactly the way you want it. If everything looks good, click OK to apply the changes. As soon as you confirm, you'll see the separator line appear between the columns in your document. This line gives your page a more structured look and helps separate content clearly, especially when you're working with dense text or a multi-column design. If you ever need to adjust the layout later, you can repeat the same steps and change the column settings again. That means you're not locked in. You can experiment with different layouts until your document looks just right, and that's it. You've now learned how to insert a separator line between columns in LibreOffice Writer. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how professional your document looks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.